Welcome to my channel. Today I will show 5 best wire strippers. IRWIN VISE-GRIP Wire Stripper. The IRWIN 2,078,300 wire stripper is a great choice if you're looking for a top-quality, self-adjusting model. This tool also has a crimping feature which allows you to crimp 10 to 22 AWG insulated, 10 to 22 AWG non-insulated, and 7 mm to 9 mm ignition terminals. So you should be able to accommodate stripping most wires in your electronics projects, whatever they may be. Klein Tools 11,063 watts wire stripper. The 11,063 watts wire stripper made by Klein Tools is well built and a reliable choice to accurately and cleanly strip wires. This handheld tool is made out of cast alloy with an e-coat finish for durability and longevity. Overall, this is a fantastic option for those looking for a wire stripper that can also be used as a cutter. Neiko 01924A Adjusting Wire Stripper. This wire stripper features an innovative design which allows for easy self-adjusting wire stripping with a one-handed motion. To achieve perfect tension and jaw clearance for smaller gauge wires, it has a thumb wheel for micro adjustments. All in all, this stripper from Neiko is a top choice not to be overlooked. It is especially useful in working with smaller wires which other strippers struggle with. Knoweasy Automatic Wire Stripper. The Klein adjustable automatic cable wire stripper is designed for rapid use to save you time and effort. The stop on this item is adjustable so you can consistently strip to the length that you require. The design of this wire stripper is about as simple and easy to use as they get. Although it still offers a cutting feature as well as stripping, it can't do crimping. Capri Tools 20011 Automatic Wire Stripper. The Capri Tools 20011 automatic wire stripper and cutter have specially designed stripping blades that automatically adjust to different wire gauges. The efficient design means you can grip and strip in only one motion and work with wires 24 to 10 AWG. Overall, this stripper is a decent choice, especially for those who wish to work with smaller wires. Follow video description if you want to know price. Thanks for watch. Subscribe my channel.